Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve quality on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve quality on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So before that you can go to Play Store and you can update your app if you find your updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.